जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आप कैसे हैं? मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप खैरियत से होंगे। और जैसा कि आजकल मैं लगातार आपके साथ वीडियोस शेयर कर रहा हूं और ज़्यादातर मैं वीडियोस जो शेयर कर रहा हूं वो इन दिनों ख़ास तौर पे वो आइल्स पार्ट 3 के हवाले से है। आइल्स पार्ट 3 जिसको आप डिस्कशन पार्ट भी कहते हैं। और इसमें आम तौर पर जो स्टूडेंट्स को जिन क्वेश्चंस का ऐसे वास्ता पड़ता है वो काफ़ी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होते हैं। और अगर उनकी अच्छे तरीके से प्रैक्टिस ना की जाए तो स्टूडेंट्स के लिए अच्छा बैंड स्कोर हासिल करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है। तो चलिए आज हम अपने नेक्स्ट टॉपिक की तरफ जाते हैं जो आइट्स पार्ट 3 का है। तो मैंने आज फिर कोशिश की है कि आपके साथ आइट्स के 3 टॉपिक्स डिस्कस करूं, लेकिन अगेन मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ ये आइट्स स्पीकिंग पार्ट 3 का एक ही टॉपिक होता है। 3 टॉपिक से मुराद मैं ले रहा हूँ कि मैंने 3 आइट्स स्पीकिंग के टेस्ट दिए हैं और उनके जो पार्ट 3 थे मैं उनको आपके सामने लेके आया हूँ। तो आज उनमें जो पहला टॉपिक है वो है हैविंग ए रोल मॉडल, यानी ज़िंदगी में रोल मॉडल का क्या किरदार होता है। दूसरा हमारा टॉपिक है जिससे रिलेटेड ये क्वेश्चंस होंगे वो लॉ एंड पुलिस है। तो लॉ और पुलिस से रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेश्चंस होंगे। फिर उससे अगला हमारा टॉपिक है कि चिल्ड्रन एंड मोटिवेशन, कि बच्चों को किस तरह मोटिवेट किया जा सकता है। तो आइए पहले क्वेश्चन की तरफ चलते हैं। Why is it important to have role models in our lives? No one can deny the importance of having role models in one's life, because it is role model which motivates a person to be like him, to be like her. Because only through the lives of the successful people, whatever we dream about our future life, its completion, its fulfilled form is generally observed in the lives of these role models or these successful people. So that is why it is very important to have a role model in our lives. मैंने असल में यहाँ पे बयान किया है कि रोल मॉडल का होना इसलिए ज़रूरी है कि रोल मॉडल की ज़िंदगी के अंदर हम अपने ख्वाबों की तकमील एक तरह से देखते हैं। तो ये रोल मॉडल हमें मोटिवेट करते हैं। What types of person, parents, teachers, friends, and so forth, are best to influence young people's behavior? I think firstly it is the parents, because if we talk about the toddlers, very little children, most of their time is spent in the company of their parents, in the influence of their parents. So parents play a very remarkable role in the lives of children. Secondly, when they are admitted to the schools, then they come across their teachers and they take the teachers as their role models. And whatever teacher tell them, they blindly follow it. As children are naive, inexperienced, they haven't experienced the practical life and things related to their lives. So they mostly follow their teachers. And also, when they come out of their houses, their homes, they come across the friends. So friends also have a lot of influence on the children, because children are in the habit of imitating others, copying others. So they imitate their fellow children, their fellow friends, their friends. They copy their actions, they copy their lifestyles, they copy their habits. तो अगला सवाल था कि यानी टीचर्स, पेरेंट्स, फ्रेंड्स कौन ज़्यादा बेहतरीन तौर पर इन्फ्लुएंस कर सकता है लोगों के बिहेवियर के हवाले से। इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट द चिल्ड्रंस बिहेवियर तो वो मैंने आपको बयान कर दिया। इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट द जनरल पब्लिक एंड ओवरऑल अबाउट द एडल्ट्स, अगेन they have almost the same role as I mentioned earlier in my answer. What type of people influence the young in your country? Again, it is the celebrities, like showbiz related people, players, successful politicians, and so forth and so forth. These people really influence the youngsters. As when the youngsters or young people see these people's lifestyle, they want to be like them. When they see a successful politician having a very luxury life, a luxurious life, they want to be a successful politician like him or her. In the like manner, when they see a successful sportsman and he's really having a lot of money, a lot of enjoying a lot of fame, and wherever he or she goes, media gives so much coverage to them. They get VVIP protocol, and also in the like manner, the showbiz related people, the way they get a lot of success. So the young mostly follow the lives of such kinds of people. So what do you think young people will be most influenced by in the future? कि young people future में सबसे ज्यादा किससे influence होंगे? Again, I would say the showbiz related people, as there is much glamour in the lives of the showbiz related people. So they will be very much influenced by the showbiz related people like the actors and actresses, and they would definitely follow their lifestyles in most often. Do you education system in your country influence young people's behavior? Unfortunately, not as much as it should have been. In most cases, we observe that students spend most of their time in learning their subjects. They have to cram so many ideas, they have to cram so many essays. So they have a very tough competitions with their fellow students. So all they want in their lives is to have brilliant scores, good scores. They want to supersede their fellow students. वो उनसे आगे निकलना चाहते हैं. They want to excel them in their education career. वो उनसे उन पे सबकत ले जाना चाहते हैं एजुकेशन कैरियर के अंदर. But unfortunately, they moral edification or moral lessons are not very much part of their learning. And I think there is utmost need of teaching more subjects, such as offering a lot of moral lessons and providing opportunity to the students so that they may learn more about the moral values, the social values, which are very much part of their ethics, for their ethical learning. तो जैसा कि मैंने बताया कि वो सब्जेक्ट्स की दौड़ में तो पड़े रहते हैं कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मार्क्स लें, रट्टे लगा लेते हैं, लेकिन असल चीज़ जो है कि वो मॉरल एजुकेशन वो उससे दूर रहते हैं. तो अब हम अपने अगले टॉपिक की तरफ जाते हैं, जिसके अंदर जो हम जिन क्वेश्चन से हमारा वास्ता पड़ेगा वो भी आइल्स पार्ट 3 से रिलेटेड है. तो आइए हम उनको डिस्कस करते हैं. Do you think that people in your country obey the laws all the time? Unfortunately, not. I think though law is very important, if I speak metaphorically, in the eye of law, everyone is equal. No one is above law. But unfortunately, the rich mostly ignore or violates the law of the country. And on the other hand, law is only applied in most cases against the poor. And if I say that law, the example of law is like a cobweb of a spider, which only entangles the poor, whereas the rich can easily violate it, bypass it. कानून की मिसाल यानी मैंने एग्जांपल दी आपको कि वो मकड़ी के जाले की तरह है, जो कि सिर्फ गरीबों को तो एक लिहाज से उलझा लेती है, पकड़ लेती है, ट्रैप कर लेती है, लेकिन जो अमीर हैं वो उससे निकल जाते हैं। What qualities should a police officer have? I think a good police officer is one who is law abiding, who is dutiful, who is punctual, who himself sets an example for his subordinates. He never goes against law. He treats the poor and the rich in the same way. He doesn't have a different stick yard for the poor and different for the rich. Are police officers popular in your country? I don't think so that police officers are more popular in our country than many other officers from other departments, because corruption is very much common in police job. So in most cases we observe that the police officers are not so much popular. The rich grease the palms of the police officers to get unfair favor. So that, yes, of course, exemption is there. Yet there are some police officers who are very good people, very good persons, who are men of character, who are doing their duty very honestly. Why some people prefer to be a lawyer? Very interesting question. Some people like to be a lawyer because being a lawyer is a very respectful job in our country. Lawyers have so much power, they can defend themselves very well. Wherever they go, they get a lot of respect. Media respects them, rich people respects them. Law is a kind of job, yeah, being a lawyer is a kind of job in which a person can earn even more with the passage of time. The more old the lawyer is, the more income he or she can generate. As the maxim goes, old is gold. And this maxim is really fit to the law profession. What qualities should a police officer have? As I've already told you in one of my previous answers, that a police officer should be dutiful. He should be man of character. He himself he himself should be a role model. Himself should set an example for his subordinates to follow. And he should be loyal, and he should be sympathetic with the victims, and should be cruel and hard or harsh against the criminals. कुछ और क्वेश्चंस की तरफ आते हैं, और ये क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड है चिल्ड्रन और मोटिवेशन से, यानी चिल्ड्रन और मोटिवेशन से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पे हैं। Why do parents encourage their children to do new things? वालदेन क्यों चाहते हैं अपने बच्चों को कि वो, या उनकी क्यों हौसला अफजाई करते हैं कि वो नई चीजें करें? Because innovation is very much part of present and future success, so that they may bring respect to them, so that they may innovate new things, so that they may be able to compete with the fast changing world. In what ways do they motivate their children? Parents motivate their children by encouraging them, by appreciating their efforts, even when the children are unsuccessful in their efforts while doing something new, and when the children fail, even then parents encourage them. They even give them money, even give them some kind of reward, so that children can do more and more hard work and can show more and more dedication. Should parents reward children with prizes for doing well? Yes, parents must reward their children with prizes for doing well, for doing something new. Because this thing really encourages children, this thing motivates children to show more passion, to show more dedication, to do harder work, to bring new positive things, to bring positive developments. But my advice, personal advice, is that they should not give them reward in all the achievements, because when the parents give children's reward for every kind of things, a time comes that even a reward may not be a valuable thing to them. So there must be a kind of curiosity on the part of children that they will do their level best to get the reward, because thirst for getting a reward should remain intact. यानी मेरे ख्याल में ये जो उनके अंदर ये प्यास है और विश फॉर विनिंग द रिवॉर्ड शुड रिमेन इंटैक्ट, ये बाकी रहनी चाहिए। अगर ये खत्म होगी, उन्हें पता है हर काम के बदले में उन्हें इनाम मिलेगा, तो टाइम कम्स the even the reward may not be a motivating factor to them, कि वो भी हो सकता है उनके लिए मोटिवेटेड फैक्टर ना रहे। What is better, to offer money or more time off work? एक सवाल है कि how can employers motivate their workers to do better at work? कि एम्प्लॉयर्स जो हैं वो अपने वर्कर्स को किस तरह मोटिवेट कर सकते हैं कि उनके वर्कर्स उनके लिए बेहतर काम करें। आई थिंक employers can motivate their workers by giving them bonus, by granting them the certificates of appreciation, and also by tempting them to increase their salary or to increase their salary package if the workers show good performance. What is better to what is better? What is better, to offer money or more time off work to motivate an employee? ये जरा उसने कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सेंटेंस में क्वेश्चन पूछा है कि क्या चीज आपके ख्याल में बेहतर है, पैसे ऑफर करके या मोर टाइम ऑफ वर्क, कि उन्हें ज्यादा काम से छुट्टी देकर मोटिवेट किया जा सकता है। आई थिंक मनी इज वन ऑफ द more important things that can motivate the workers to work hard, to show better performance, to show more dedication as compared to more time off work. More time off work may be helpful in the case of those employees who already have very good salary package. So to them, having more money may not be a tempting factor, because their job may also be very tired, very tiresome. वो हो सकता है पहले ही जॉब उनकी उनके लिए थका देने वाली हो, सो दे वुड प्रिफर मोर टाइम ऑफ वर्क देन द मनी। तो ये कुछ क्वेश्चंस थे। ये एक सवाल बड़ा ये था कि आया यानी पैसे ज़्यादा देकर आप मोटिवेट कर सकते हैं जो आगे आपके मातहत काम करने वाले वर्कर्स हैं या एम्प्लॉइज़ हैं, या उनको पैसे दे के, तो ज़ाहिर है उनको तो पैसे अच्छे लगेंगे जो इनकी इनकम इतनी नहीं है, तो वो तो चाहेंगे कि वो ज़्यादा मोटिवेटेड हो जाएंगे इस तरह। लेकिन वो बंदे जिनकी ऑलरेडी, या वो एम्प्लॉइज़ जिनकी ऑलरेडी सैलरी पैकेज अच्छा है, तो वो तो या जिनका काम भी बहुत ज़्यादा थका देने वाला है, तो वो पैसे के मुकाबले में वो चाहेंगे ज़्यादा उन्हें यानी छुट्टी मिले, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वो काम से बाहर निकल आए, ताकि वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा रिलैक्स कर सकें। तो ये बड़े अहम क्वेश्चंस थे। मैंने कोशिश की कि मैं इनके सामने आपके सामने अच्छे इनके आंसर्स पेश कर सकूं। तो आखिर में मेरी अगेन आपसे ये रिक्वेस्ट होगी कि मेरे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर भी करें, और आखिर में जो बेल आइकन है उसको प्रेस करें। इससे ये होगा कि मेरी नई आने वाली वीडियो के बारे में आपको नोटिफिकेशन मौसूल हो जाएगा। तो अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा, मुझे दुआ में याद रखिएगा, मैं आपको दुआ में याद रखूँगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।